Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can use two WhatsApp accounts on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G at the same time. So in order to do that, first we need to set up the secure folder, which allows you to duplicate apps. So let's open the settings. In the settings, go down to security and privacy. Over here, go down and choose more security settings and then go to secure folder. Press continue twice and then you will need to wait like a minute in order to let your device create the secure folder. Once the setup is done, you will see this information that you need to set the lock type. So you can choose PIN, password, or pattern. I'm gonna go with PIN. Let's enter the PIN code. If the PIN code is easy, then you will be suggested to change to something more difficult. I'm gonna use this one anyway. Then let's press OK. And then we have the reset with a Samsung account feature. I don't really want to use it. And now we can press next. And now we have our secure folder. What we need to do is tap this plus icon over here. And now we need to find WhatsApp and then add it to the list. So press on the circle and then press add. Now here in the secure folder, whenever we open the WhatsApp app, then we will be using a different account because this one is completely different from the one that we have in the app drawer. So let's open the app drawer. Over here, let's say you are already logged into your main account, and if you want to use another account, simply use the secure folder. So go to the secure folder and tap the WhatsApp, and that's pretty much it. This is how we can use two WhatsApp accounts at the same time. One will be in the secure folder and the main one in the app drawer. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.